All birds find shelter during rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above clouds. No religion has mandated killing others as a requirement for its sustenance or promotion. Failure will never overtake me if my definition to succeed is strong enough. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. I'm not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. The best brains of the nations may be found on the last benches of the classrooms. Don't read success stories, you will only get message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. Small aim is a crime, have great aim. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. Success is when your signature becomes an autograph. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. Poetry comes from the highest happiness or the deepest sorrow. The president's post should not be politicized. Once a president is elected, he is above politics. Regarding marriage, somehow, it didn't happen. One fellow in such a big family not getting married is not an issue. Wherever I go, as long as I get a hot vegetable dish, I am okay. If I am in Gujarat, I have Gujarati food. If it's Shillong, it's Northeastern.